Learning never stops. Growing never ends. At Edeo Legoo Mandarin Publications, we are not just publishers. We're your partners in lifelong learning. For years, we've been trusted experts in language education and wellness. Now, we're taking that expertise to the next level. In 2025, we're expanding our horizons with cutting-edge technology and innovative approaches that make learning faster, more effective, and more accessible than ever before. Our combination of proven educational methods with the latest technological advances isn't just changing how you learn. It's revolutionizing your entire learning journey. Master Mandarin with confidence. Our comprehensive textbook series is specifically designed for international examinations, HSK, IGCSE, IB, AP, and more. Whether you're a beginner or advancing to fluency, our expertly crafted materials guide you every step of the way to examination success. Discover the power of phonetic learning. Our revolutionary approach makes acquiring new languages intuitive and natural. From Malay to Cantonese, English to Mandarin, unlock the sounds, master the rhythm, and speak with confidence. Learning multiple languages has never been this accessible. Balance your mind, strengthen your body. Our Tai Chi fitness programs combine ancient wisdom with modern wellness science. Experience the perfect harmony of physical fitness, mental clarity, and spiritual well-being, all in one transformative practice. Books, video courses, digital resources, everything you need to excel is coming in 2025. At Edeo Legoo Mandarin Publications, we are not just growing better and faster, we are helping you do the same. Your learning journey starts here. Your success story starts now.